is.
See, who is Maharashtra CM to decide what will a metro station be named in Karnataka, in Bangalore? Shivajinagar is a historical area named after Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and we have the utmost respect for that. And St. Mary's Basilica has a 250-year-old history. And considering both of that, I am the local MLA there. We have, with the consultation of public, decided to request the government to name it Shivaji Nagar St. Mary's Station. So that proposal we will send it to the government.
He expressed Karnataka government moves is not, it's an insult to the Chhatrapati
I want
Shivaji.
to tell Mr. Devendra Fadnavis, actual insult to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is when the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport was named after Adani International Airport in Mumbai. That is how they have insulted Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. We have kept Shivaji Nagara St. Mary's Station. That is what our proposal will be. We will be sending it very soon.